Welcome to In-House Delivery. In this video, we're going to show you the process of dispatching orders. We'll walk through two scenarios in this video. Scenario 1, automated dispatching of an order. Scenario 2, manual dispatch of an order to a restaurant's own driver. Let's get started with Scenario 1. Automated dispatching of an order. In our first scenario, our restaurant has auto dispatch turned on. This restaurant has enabled both in-house delivery and third-party delivery. We consider a number of factors when considering the best driver to route the order to, such as how many deliveries each driver currently has, the current location of each driver, if no orders, and the expected completion time and location of the current orders assigned to a driver, using live traffic data. This information is weighted and scored to determine which driver is expected to be able to pick up the order first. A delivery request is then issued to the best driver. We can see that a new order has appeared on the orders page, with a status of assigned. Because the restaurant is running in auto dispatch mode and has its own drivers, the order was automatically assigned to an in-house driver. If restaurants are using both in-house drivers and third-party partners, deliveries will always be routed to in-house drivers first. Only if there are no drivers available will they then be routed to third-party partners. Click on the order to view more details about it, including the items ordered and delivery instructions. You can also view this order on the live map page. This page displays all current and recently completed orders on a map. You can see our order listed here on the left-hand side. Click on it to bring it into focus on the map. The map will display pins for both the restaurant location and customer address. Once a driver has accepted the delivery, you will also see them on the map. When the driver is on the way to the restaurant, the status of the order will transition to picking up. Highlight the order details on the left to view the driver details. Once the driver has collected the order, the status of the order then transitions to on the way. From the live map, you're able to keep track of the driver's ETA. The customer will also receive a text message that they can click on to show them where their driver is at on the map. Behind schedule orders will be highlighted in red. Throughout the duration of the delivery, you can click on the order to see the driver's route on the map. Upon successful delivery of the order, the status changes to delivered. Details of the delivery are available by clicking the individual order. To see a picture, if applicable, scroll to the bottom of the order details. Let's go to a third-party delivery order. For any deliveries performed by third-party delivery partners, you can get help through the order details screen. Click on the question mark icon in the top right-hand corner of the order details. This provides the third-party delivery service contact number along with any information you will need to supply. Note that direct driver numbers are unable to be supplied, as only customers may contact drivers directly. If there was an issue with the order, restaurants can also request refunds for third-party delivery orders. These requests are submitted to the third-party provider by the in-house delivery team. Each refund request is managed by the in-house delivery team until an outcome is reached. Any refunds received from third-party providers will be automatically added as a credit to your next invoice. Managers can also keep track of orders through the mobile app. When you click on an individual order, you can click on the ellipses in the top right-hand corner to bring up a list of actions, such as reassign order. Orders can only be reassigned if they have not yet been picked up from the restaurant. Note that reassigning an order from a third-party DSP may result in cancellation fees. Redispatch orders. A redispatch may happen because an order item was forgotten. Call customer, get help, and cancel delivery. This will cancel the request for a driver. It does not cancel the order upstream in the online ordering system. Now let's look at scenario 2, manual dispatch of an order to a restaurant's own driver. In this scenario, our restaurant has selected to use its own drivers, as well as third-party delivery providers to deliver their orders. They don't have auto dispatch mode enabled, but are instead running in manual mode. In this scenario, our restaurant owner is also going to manually enter the order into Inhousedelivery. This can be done on either the desktop or the mobile app. In this example, we'll show you how to manually create an order on your desktop. Go to the Orders page and click Create Order. Enter the following details for a manual order: the restaurant that you want your driver to pick up from, the order number, ready at. This determines when the order will be ready for the driver to pick up. By default, the time is set to the nearest 5-minute increment, rounded up, but you can change the time to when the order will be ready for pickup. Customer name, customer phone number, customer address, delivery note, if applicable, order items and the price for each order item, and the total will be automatically calculated, but you need to manually enter the tip amount. Toggle on the applicable delivery instructions if they apply to the order, then click Next. Next, select who to assign the delivery to. The options displayed here are dependent on who has been selected to perform deliveries from your dispatch settings. The Available Drivers tab shows all the drivers for that restaurant location. You can see details about each driver so you can determine who to assign the order to, including the number of orders they are currently assigned. The Third Party tab shows all the available DSPs, including an estimated delivery cost for the order. Select the driver you want to assign the order to, and then select Create Order. The driver will receive a notification through the Inhousedelivery app that they've been assigned a new order. The notification will show both the drop-off and pickup addresses for the order. Note that because this order has been manually assigned, the driver does not have the option to accept or decline the order. The driver must deliver this order. Once the driver clicks the blue OK Got It button, they can start making their way to the restaurant to pick up the order. Upon successful pickup, they will tap the thumbs up icon and click the blue Go to Customer button. They can then click the directions icon next to the drop-off address and make their way to the customer. The app provides all of the information the driver needs to successfully deliver their order, including drop-off notes, ID check, or signature requirements, and the customer's phone number. Upon successful delivery to the customer, which may include obtaining a signature, performing an ID check, or taking a photograph of the delivered order, the driver will mark the delivery as complete. If it's a contactless delivery, the driver must take a photo of the delivery before completing the order. If the customer is not available, the driver may be instructed to leave the order in a safe place, if possible. If not, they'll be instructed to return the order to the restaurant. When drivers are finished with their shift, they can simply tap the Offline button in the top right corner of the map screen. This changes their status to offline, indicating they are no longer available to accept orders. Just like with any other deliveries, you will be able to view this order and track its status on both the desktop and mobile apps. And that's it! You're now ready to start dispatching orders with Inhousedelivery. Happy delivering!